Now, we wanted some rain, and Jim, boy, did we get it.
We did, yeah, a whole lot. And this has nothing to do with the hurricane, believe it or not. Not quite yet a hurricane, but we think Alex will be a hurricane later tonight. A lot of moisture coming up ahead of that storm, so much so that we have flooding rainfall here in the Austin area. If you've just gotten in from work maybe and joined us late, we showed you these photographs at the top of the broadcast. Cars driving through almost dangerous levels of water there on Riverside Drive. That is in the Parker intersection, which is just a few streets off of I-35. Flooding on Riverside right now. Be very, very careful. We don't recommend that you drive through even flooded roads that aren't considered low water crossings if you don't know how deep that water is. Turn around. Don't drown. If that's moving fast, it can carry you right away. Let's go to the storm profiler radar here, and I'll show you that right now you see most of the rain falling in and around Austin is the green kind. That means light rain. The very heavy tropical downpours we saw earlier have ended, at least temporarily. Now, you are also seeing some rainfall that is quite heavy. Still falling up here around Pflugerville, Manor, Elgin, up into the Taylor area. Light, heavy to moderate rainfall in the yellows and in the reds there. In addition to the flash flood warning that is in effect for Travis County, we now have an urban and small stream flood advisory for eastern Travis County, west central Lee County, north central Bastrop County, and southeastern Williamson County. And so that would be in association with this little cluster of rain here that I'm showing you on the radar. Now, that'll be in effect, by the way, until 8 p.m. Tonight, that urban and small stream flood advisory. Speaking of the rain, it has been coming down fast and hard. Here's a new report just in from the National Weather Service. They report now that several low water crossings are closed, along with numerous roads in and around the city of Austin. There are several vehicles which are flooded, and let's see what they say beyond that. That storm report should be coming in any second, but obviously the content of the report we get the gist of, and that is that it is dangerous right now, low water crossings in and around the Austin area, and we want you to be very, very careful. Now, why are we seeing this flooding? Well, this rain has fallen real quickly, and we're talking at least 2 inches there. 2 inches there in southern parts of Travis County, but we do also believe that the radar is underestimating just a little bit how much rain has fallen, because we have some rain gauge reports that are coming in right now. Look at all these 2-inch totals, all in and around central the UT campus area, eastern Travis County, East Austin, southeast Austin, all the way out to Dripping Springs and southwestern Travis County. We do have some rain gauge totals that have come in now that are reporting just down near the Shady Hollow area of 4.2 inches of rain now down here just south of Shady Hollow, not too far from Manchac. In addition, Sunset Valley, South Austin, the Brody Lane area, we now have a rain gauge report of 3.29 inches in that area, and just in from the LCRA Hydromet Network, a 3.95-inch rainfall total right on Lady Bird Lake, 3.95 inches, 0.95 inches right on Lady Bird Lake over there off of East Riverside Drive, where Lakeshore Boulevard runs by Longhorn Dam. That's where that rain gauge is located. So we're talking 4 inches of rain now, much of it in the last 2-hour period over East and South Austin. This is a dangerous situation. We want you to be very, very cautious if you live near any low water crossings down in these areas. And there are more than 300 low water crossings in the city of Austin alone. And so if you come across one, again, this is a dangerous situation this afternoon. We want you to turn around and go the other way. Turn around, don't drown. In this kind of situation also, it is important to remember that children can get into some serious problems when they are near these low water crossing areas, when there are flooding conditions in the area and near drainage ditches in your neighborhood as well. Keep kids indoors and away from those flooded ditches and flooded drainage areas in your neighborhood, because they can become very dangerous for children. Okay, let's talk tropical storm. We thought this was going to be the big story today. Tropical Storm Alex, it is a big story, and it is a large tropical storm down here in the Gulf of Mexico. You're thinking, wow, Tropical Storm Alex already making it rain here. Not exactly. The rain that we're seeing right now is not directly from the tropical storm, other than the fact that it's helping to send some tropical moisture our way. But there is a weak area of low pressure aloft overhead right now that is generating, with daytime heating and all the tropical moisture coming in, the rain that we're seeing now. So we can't directly say that Tropical Storm Alex is bringing us rainfall at the present time. Let's talk about where Alex is headed. He's moving up to the northwest. It's likely to become a hurricane later tonight, Category 1 hurricane, and then make landfall down here south of Brownsville. Looks pretty likely now that this storm will go in south of Brownsville and south of Padre Island as a Category 1 hurricane late tomorrow afternoon, and then weaken as he moves inland there over northern Mexico and continues to progress off to the west and to the northwest. What does this mean for us? Well, you can see the rain that's been flaring up today. Let me take you to the future weather model here. We expect more rain to move into the area tomorrow with this tropical moisture. And then beyond tomorrow, Thursday and into Friday, some of the rain actually associated with Alex, though he's way down there, could actually bring us more potential flash flooding. Quick look at the current conditions. We're going to get you to that 7-day forecast in just a moment, but we do have breaking weather news here this afternoon with this flash flooding going on in the city, and we want to keep you updated. We are getting reports now that there are several vehicles which are flooded and people being helped out of their cars here in the city of Austin right now, kind of confirming what we reported a few minutes ago, that this is a dangerous situation. There are numerous low water crossings, and we are now getting reports that some people are needing to be helped out of their flooded cars here in Austin. 89 degrees tomorrow. Here's that 7-day forecast, and we will update you further on this flash flood situation in a moment, but I wanted you to at least see this. We think the rain chances will continue to be very high tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, too. But the good news is rain chances should trend down over your 4th of July holiday weekend. Robert, Leslie?